G'day everyone, welcome to day 3 of our 4-day adventure. We're absolutely having a ball, eating, drinking, laughing, having fun. Oh yeah, we do a little bit of riding as well, so kick back and enjoy.
Morning, Sam.
Morning, campfire. Morning, Ty.
Morning.
What are you doing? Talking to the wife?
I'm trying to.
Oh wow, sun's coming through. We're up. Oh man, I got a coffee over there. Tyson made me a coffee. It's a shit coffee, Tyson. It's coffee nonetheless. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ed's off. Nat's on his way back. Morning, Mars. Morning. Hey mate, it's going to be hot and we're going to jump in that river and swim. Here we go, travellers. Everyone's jumping on their bikes. Bikes are idling. Yep, going. Thumbs up, Ty. Thumbs up. Yeah. Just turned my intercom on, Dan. Yeah, you with me? Sweet. Cool, mate. I'm happy to just close my eyes today and ride. I'm not even going to bring my map. I'm going to dump my map. You got yours? Yeah. Oh, Ed got one. Fucking, but that's never seen the light of day. Ooh, dusty tracks today. Always overshot that corner. So did Mario behind me. Fuck, your bike keeps stalling, Dan. Oh, you just comp blocking. I'm gonna go see the newbies. Yeah, these guys are up. Yeah, no. Oh.
Jesus.
No, the other way. Wide, yeah, there you go. Open.
Can't get him around the top.
Daniel's box not starting.
No.
Yeah, mate.
You're the first person.
No, that's fucking squeezing it close.
Can't be, is it?
It is.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
Really?
What we need to do is we need to get it on the hose and then clamp it, because see this little bit here, it's like it's got a fucking stick in it, goes into like a recess in here. So I've got to get it on the hose first.
Alright, so bush repair, water coming out of here, the hose clamp, this clamp's fucking shot, so just pushed it back and put a zip tie in. Hopefully the thing, but my bike shouldn't have gotten hot because it's got thermo fans that didn't kick in, so I've got to see what's wrong with him when I get home. Yeah. Yeah. No, I don't know if you have a tool with us. Where's Nat? Down there? Stock? He's coming? Yeah. Alright, cool. Mario's through, how's that going? Doesn't know how to spin it. Oh shit, I just turned my bike off. Oh, now you. Yeah, that's what I mean, now you stalling. Yeah, I didn't think you didn't get through. Oh, I'm just going slow. Yeah, it's trees everywhere now. No, but there's trucks going around all of the trees, so it is a used truck. No, as long as he's okay. Yeah. Welcome back everyone. After 35 kilometres we're back. We're back because this nuff
Fuck off.
I won't call him enough now. But this one doesn't check his chain of sprockets. You see his sprocket in there? There is no sprocket. You know, the chain's making a funny noise as we're doing hill climbs. I'm lucky we were next to some road and we limped back. So the ride's been cut short today. Nuts over Nut, did you stack today? Just once you did stack?
Yeah, the bloody tree snagged me.
Tree grabbed your leg.
Grabbed my leg.
As they do.
Caught me right here.
Oh.
Best part of the day.
Best part of the day.
Is that cold,
Back
Ed?
safe, bike's intact,
Yep. Back
beer in
safe.
hand.
Are they cold?
Yeah, you want one?
There? Yeah.
Oh, good part of the day. Murray has opened a beer for me. Mars, how was your ride today?
Loved it, mate. Loved it.
Loved it.
Came back uninjured,
Yep.
one piece.
Right, injured, one piece.
Cheers,
No,
everyone.
no stacks today? Cheers. No stacks for me today either. Good day. I took it a bit easy today because, as you know, yesterday I stacked. Well, not really stacked, I fell over but landed on my thumb. It's a crazy injury. Like seriously, I fell with my thumb out. It's like a swollen cigar. We'll see what it was like in a day or two. Might go doctors. Anyway, we're going to chuck our shorts on and go swim in the river, so I'm going to turn you off for now. Look at these nuffs riding around our caravan park. Look at him.
Back to the chook shed.
Where'd you come from?
Hey? Oh,
Where'd you just
right
ride?
down that hill, look. See that one? Yeah.
Okay. If you're watching this from another country in Australia, we call them puff.
Bombs and shorts.
Tongs, shorts.
Hang on.
Who needs a helmet?
Hang on, I've got to go get the most important thing, my beer.
Oh, you go be.
By Mr. Stu.
Just for recording, we've lost Tyson.
Yep.
Now we're losing Ed.
I'm about to go. I'm going to go see my boss, Snoop Dogg.
Snoop Dogg concert. There was 6, now there's 4.
Alright guys, take it easy.
Bye, Ed.
Have a safe ride tomorrow if I don't come back.
Good to see you.
Take care, say hello, everyone. Yes, thank you.
Stay upright.
Enjoy your night, Burgo. Alright, see you guys.
Later.
Here we go. Here we go.
Alright, hey everyone, welcome to Sam's Kitchen. Tonight we're having a red Thai chicken curry, something like that. What we've done first is I've browned the chicken off down here on the fire, so you're going to see it's nice and charcoaly, but it's not cooked all the way through because it's going to cook in here. Yeah, so next thing is slap the veggies in, get them going. We're going to move them across shortly and hit it with spices to get the flavour going, yeah? Then followed by the coconut cream and things like that. But first, we want to brown them a bit, alright? It's important. Charcoaling, browning, it gives flavour to things. Otherwise you're just boiling them. Tell you what, take a break and you come back to me in 2 minutes. Alright, GoPro battery went flat, so let fill you in on what we did here. Have a look over here. Okay, you saw we had the onion and we had the capsicum cooking. When it sort of browned, then we open it up. I dropped some olive oil in there and just hit it with spices. A little bit of smoked paprika. Oh, yep. I hit it with a little bit of, use that one, bit of ground turmeric. And basically, look in there, a tablespoon of red Thai curry. So that was in there in the olive oil. We stirred it around. You can see it start to bubble and release flavour. And then we put coconut cream in. 1 can for 2 people. There are 4 of us here tonight, so 1.5 cans should be plenty. That's simmering away, and we're going to let that simmer for maybe 20-25 minutes, the time it takes us to cook the rice. And that's got it going. Now the chicken, it's 3/4 cooked, but it's brown. We put this in here. What's going to happen with this chicken now is it is going to soak up all of the flavours. It's going to become soft and tender, but still have the smokiness from the grill that we used over there. Like I said, over here we've got mushrooms. We're going to wait until there's about 5 minutes left and then throw them in. They shrink quick, they soak up flavour quick, and we have got ourselves, seriously, a gourmet meal.
The rice. This is the end product.
Alright everyone, almost forgot again, this is the end product. We've got rice here, which is just your plain chicken rice, quick stuff that we bought. And this is what's left of our dinner. We're picking it up, scooping it out, look at all the goodness. It's absolutely stunning. Hot.
Well done, Sam. This is fantastic.
It doesn't get better.
It doesn't get any better than this. Group of mates sitting around a campfire that's absolutely roaring. Good conversation, couple of beers.
Beautiful.
What more do you want?
And what do you want?
Thank you.
Mars, you got enough rice? Yeah?
It's hot.
I'll be good.
A little bit more rice for me, I think.
All right, time to eat.
Yeah, time to eat. Oh man, it's been a big day. It's been a big night. Time to crash. I'm full, I'm tired. It's just turned midnight. Catch you all in the morning.